Hello everyone. Today we are going to do how our urinary system or excretory system interacts with other systems of the body. It's chapter 7 of unit 3 and the course name is Systems of the Human Body and Their Functions. So let's move to the next slide. But before we move to the next slide, let me tell you something when it comes to the excretory system. Okay, kidney is the primary excretory organ in humans, and skin and lungs aid in excretion, but they are the secondary excretory organs. Okay, so kidney is when it comes to the primary excretory organs, it's kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. Right, now let's move to the next slide and see how this urinary system or excretory system interacts with the other systems of the human body. So urinary system interconnections, integumentary system. If you can recall, integumentary system is made up of skin, right? So skin, we have already learned that skin is a secondary excretory organ. See, when the cells, they break down protein, urea is produced. So through sweating, via skin, our body maintains homeostasis. It brings down the body temperature during summers, and also we release urea, NaCl, excessive water via sweating. Okay, now when it comes to the interactions of urinary system with that of skeletal system, the kidney and the bone tissue work together to control plasma calcium levels. Okay, and muscular systems interactions with excretory system, when it comes to that, muscle tissue controls urine elimination from the bladder. Okay, and nervous system, it's the mastermind of the body, especially the brain of nervous system. Okay, so if it is not giving instructions to the kidney, it can never work. And also suppose there is a deficiency of water in your body. Okay, then in that case, what is going to happen? Hypothalamus of brain is going to sense out that, right? And then it is going to coordinate with the endocrine system. How hypothalamus will send signals to the anterior lobe of pituitary, and it is going to send signal to the adrenal gland, okay, which are there at the top of the kidneys. Adrenal glands secrete hormone with the name vasopressin or antidiuretic hormone. That hormone, it controls the level of water in our blood. Okay, so if there is a deficiency of water in the body, the anterior lobe of pituitary, it will give signal to the adrenal gland to secrete vasopressin or antidiuretic hormone, and it will make sure that it is not going to make sure, but it will make the urine concentrated so that the body water can be conserved. See, moisture level or water level has to be maintained. It should be adequate in the body, otherwise cells will be damaged because of osmosis. Okay, and this is going to leave us paralyzed, and it may even kill us. Okay, so this is how our nervous system, urinary system and endocrine system interacts. Okay, and it's very important, endocrine system and integumentary systems, they interact with the urinary system, and they ensure that that homeostasis is maintained. Okay, homeostasis is very, very important to keep us alive, right? Because our body works at a particular temperature. If the homeostasis is not maintained, enzymes won't be able to work, right? And we'll die. Okay, now when it comes to the interactions of urinary system with cardiovascular system or circulatory system, the urinary system controls blood volume. Blood volume and blood pressure play a role in determining water and solute excretion. And when it comes to the digestive system and its interactions with the urinary systems, once nutrients are squeezed from the food, okay, the left out thing is the waste, and the blood of the circulatory system is going to transport it to the kidneys. Okay, and they will expel it out of the body. And kidneys also reabsorb water from the urine. See, they just don't, whatever waste is there, they are going to do filtration of that. Okay, so that they can absorb good materials from that, like protein they absorb. Okay, in the nephron, here we're talking about the absorption of protein, sodium ions, potassium ions and water in the different units of nephrons, right? So this is again important from the point of view of homeostasis. So kidney is not just the excretory organ, but it is also involved in osmoregulation. That is very important to keep us alive. Now, respiratory system, the kidneys and the lungs work together to control the pH of the internal environment, right? And reproductive system, the urinary system, tract in males, It's urinary tract and reproductive tract is same, and the kidneys compensate for fluid loss from male and female reproductive systems too. So this is how our urinary system interacts with the other systems of the human body. Okay, and one more thing, you need to note down here that urinary system is not just, it doesn't has to do only with the excretion, but it also has to do with osmoregulation, which is very, very important from the point of view of maintaining homeostasis in the body. So that's it. Thank you so much.